Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online, and all you have to do is just you need to read books, and you don't even need to buy these books by yourself. You will get these books for free, and all you have to do is just read these books and write a short review about those books, and you can make from $5 to $60 for just reading these books. But process of registration on this website is a bit complicated, so it is really important for you to watch this video very carefully. Okay, let me first show you rating of this company. When you come here on SiteJobber, here you can see there is more than 1,300 reviews for this company, and they got 5 stars on average, which is amazing considering the number of reviews. On Trustpilot, they got 4.5 stars. On Better Business, they got 4.4 stars. Here you can see a bit more information, which means this is actually a trusted company. And when you come here on this page, here you can see get paid to review books completely free. Most payouts currently range between $5 and $60 per review. And company that I'm talking about is called onlinebookclub.org. And when you come here, this is their homepage. And here you can see more information about their website. And what you need to do, you actually need to click here on sign up for free, and you will come on their registration page, and actually you will register for their forum. As you can see, registration is really simple, really easy. All you have to do is just add your name, your password, confirm password, email, type this. You actually need to type reading, okay? You need to type here word reading, click here on submit, and that's it. You don't even need to confirm your email yet. You will need to do that later. Now, after you do that, you will come on this page here. Now, you will actually come to their forum. What you need to do, you actually need to click here on these 3 lines. And here you don't see option to make money with this website, right? You don't see an option to make money reviewing books. So what you need to do, you need to click here on FIQ. And then you need to click here on how do I join the review team? You need to click here, and then you need to click here on guidelines and basics tab. And you will see option to register again. Now I already did that, so I don't see that option here. And again, registration process is really simple. You just need to add some basic informations, and that's it. You don't have to confirm your email yet. So after you do that, what you need to do, you need to come back here and you need to click here on preferences, okay? And then you need to add all of these stuff. Here you can see you need to select a format of your book. Now you can choose any of these formats. Here you can see which formats I have actually chosen. And here you need to add an answer. Are you religious? You don't have to answer on that question. It is not important. It is not obligatory. You need to add your phone number. By the way, this is not my real phone number. It is important for your phone number to be from your own country, but it doesn't have to be a real phone number because you do not have to confirm your phone number. Here you need to add your PayPal email. Now, payments are made only via PayPal. So if PayPal doesn't work in your country, well, you cannot make money with this website, okay? But if PayPal does work in your country, then you can make money with this website. Here you can see Amazon review display name. It is optional. You can add that, but you don't have to do that. Here you can see, are you able and willing to leave an Amazon customer review? Yes, I will leave. You can choose yes or no. Choose the yes, because most of these people actually sell their books on Amazon, and they need someone who will leave a review on Amazon for their book. That is why you need to choose here yes. Of course, you need to choose yes if you can leave reviews on Amazon. If you cannot, then, well, choose no. Here you can see, are you able and willing to leave Goodreads reviews? Yes or no. It is better if you leave yes, because like I said, only you need to leave yes only if you are able to leave reviews, okay? Spanish, I don't speak in Spanish, so I will just leave in English, okay? Here you need to choose, have you written a book of your own? Actually, I didn't write book by myself. I never did that, and that is why I chosen no, I haven't written a book, okay? And all you have to do is just click here on submit, and after that, you will need to confirm your email. Now, only after this step, you will need to confirm your email. Now, after that, what you need to do, you need to click here again on these 3 lines, and then here you will see review team menu. That will show up only after you click here on submit, after you add all of these informations. Now, when you click here, you need to click here on review team page. And then here you will see books that you can review. And some of these books will actually pay you, but some of these books will be free, okay? And when you scroll here, here you can see payments. And here you can see title, author, and genre on each of these books. Here you can choose different genres. Here are all the books that are available for me currently because I just registered. I only have a few books available. Here you can see all of these books are currently only free. I cannot make money because, like I said, I just registered. Later, when you review a few books and you get good rates, then you will see more books here available, and some of those books will actually pay you to review them. As we saw, they will pay you from $5 to $60 for every review. And here you can see, for example, when I click on one of these books, so for example, I just say this book here, I can see more information about these books. I can see title, author's name, genre. Here you can see this book has 460 pages. Here you can see more information, descriptions, and here you can see this is actually available formats, PDF, Kindle, gift. So you don't have to actually get a paperback. You can use a PDF format. You can read it on your phone, on your tablet, or on your computer, okay? And to review this book, what you need to do, you need to click here on review this book. And here you need to choose a format. I will choose PDF, and after that, just click here, submit format, and you will be able to actually review this book. And after you write a review of that book, you will be able to submit your review. Now, this is really important. What you need to do, you actually need to click here again on guidelines and basics, okay? And here, when you scroll here you can see more informations, really important information, and I strongly recommend to actually read this stuff here. Now, here you can see guidelines for writing reviews. You need to read this because it is really important for your review to satisfy these rules. Review must be honest. Review must be written with the correct spelling and grammar. That is important. Review must be at least 300 words. Like I said, read all of this stuff here, okay? And also what is really important when you come here you can see that these guys will actually pay only via PayPal, as I already said. So like I said, if PayPal doesn't work in your country, you cannot make money with this website. And you can actually come back on this page. You just need to come back here on preferences, and you can change your preferences anytime you want. Also, when you come here on score, you can see your score, and you can also, when you come here on history, you can see books that you already reviewed and made money. And like I said, payments are made via PayPal. So if you like reading books, then this is a great way for you to make money online because you can do what you like and you can also make some additional money. Now with this website, you won't make fortune, but you can make some extra cash that you can use for holidays or stuff like that. So like I said, this is an easy way to make money online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.